Good evening, friends. I'm Colonel Patania. Welcome to this motivation channel. हम लोगों ने तकरीबन 70 से ज़्यादा वीडियो अपलोड कर दिए हैं. So I request you to kindly subscribe and ring the bell icon so that you could be our member in the journey of empowerment youth. Today our topic would be that art of self-motivation. ज़िंदगी में कई बार ऐसे मौके आते हैं जहाँ पर हमें किसी वजह से it could be a failure, it could be problems in the job, it could be a problem in the family, or it could be that sometime मेरे को लगता है कि मेरी जो expectations हैं वो मैं उनको पूरा नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. So as a result, your motivation level goes down. And when the motivation level goes down, your energy also is affected. And if this is not checked, then it may lead to depression, which we must safeguard against. अभी हम बात करते हैं सेल्फ मोटिवेशन है क्या. देखिए, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. सेल्फ मोटिवेशन जो है, this is the ability to drive oneself in pursuance of our goals, and we have to take suitable initiative and action in pursuance of those goals and to accomplish the task which has been given. Very simple. Now, इसके लिए हमें जो कंसंट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा यूथ को, कुछ चीज़ें हैं जिनके ऊपर अगर हम ध्यान देते हैं और उनके ऊपर हम कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्कआउट करते हैं तो ये क्वालिटी हमारे अंदर आस्ता आस्ता इनकलकेट हो जाएगी. And then they will have a positive effect. And then you don't have to look for a person beyond you who is going to motivate you. So we'll talk about those small points which you must look into. Number one is self-belief. Generally, a failure, it shakes up your self-belief. When you are not able to get the expected result from an indulgence, तो आपका जो सेल्फ बिलीफ है वो आस्ते आस्ते ख़त्म हो जाता है. तो सेल्फ बिलीफ को ख़त्म नहीं होने देना. इसके लिए यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, एंड यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर लीडरशिप एंड मैनेजमेंट क्वालिटीज. नंबर टू इज that we have to constantly empower ourselves with the desired amount of knowledge. Let me share with you that knowledge is not only a weapon or a power, it is also the wisdom by which we can make our life more constructive and more meaningful. So let's concentrate and हमेशा अपने आप को constantly लगातार अपने आप को empower कीजिए through the knowledge. Third thing is that failure, nobody likes it. Nobody wants to be a failure in life because that carries a stigma. And लोगों का जो विश्वास है कि a person who is a failure is not a good chap. It's not so. On the contrary, I see that failure as a stepping stone towards the success. और वो कैसे होगा कि मान लीजिए मैं किसी प्रोजेक्ट में फेल हो जाता हूँ, and when I do the introspection, I come across certain mistakes which I committed. If I don't correct those mistakes and I indulge in a repetition, probably I will again be a failure. तो हमें अपनी गलतियों से सबक लेना है, उसी हिसाब से फिर अपनी ज़िंदगी को और अपने एटीट्यूड को डालना है, और उसके बाद फेलियर से सबक लेके हमने सक्सेस को छूना है. दैट शुड बी द एम. अभी कई बार ऐसे होता है कि हम लोग कहते हैं जी मैं इतना काम किया, मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, मेरे को रिजल्ट नहीं मिला, एंड प्रोबेबली आई एम ए वेरी अनलकी पर्सन. गॉड डजंट सपोर्ट मी. इट्स नॉट दैट. यू हैव टू पुट इन बेस्ट ऑफ योर कर्मस. Success or failure is irrelevant. But any indulgence, it is going to give you some kind of experience which will be handy somewhere, sometime in life. So don't get jittered. Let the destiny give you a level play field in which with your karma and attitude, you can do wonders. Keep that at the back of your mind. Now, when we start a journey in this life, with a lot of aspiration that we want to be successful, तो हमारा जो गोल है वो छोटा होना चाहिए. एक बड़ी पुरानी कहावत है कि डोंट बाइट विच यू कैनॉट च्यू. सो छोटे छोटे गोल रखिए. ओनली बाइट दैट मच विच यू कैन च्यू, एंड देन keep embarking on the journey of turning small battle of success into a big victory. उसके बाद आता है कि you see the company, पुरानी कहावत है कि man is known by the company he keeps. So that means if you are having a company of people who are negative in their approach towards the life, shun away those people. Surround yourself with the positive people who are having vision, who are optimistic, and that traits will automatically rub on you, and you will not be feeling defeated or a life which you find it's without any purpose. So very important to surround yourself with the positive people, optimistic people, and the people who believe in constructive thinking. Next is, there is a very old saying that stupid people, they miss the opportunity. Wise people, they avail. And genius, they create it. So you must come into the third category of being a genius who creates the opportunity. Practice से ये सारा संभव हो सकता है. Only thing is you have to start your journey. Next is enjoy what you do, because there is a very beautiful saying. He says, doing what you like is a freedom. Loving what you do is a passion. So if you can mold yourself into that kind of a mold, you will find that you will never get tired. You will be surrounded by the happiness, and success will be always knocking at your door to be embraced. Another thing is, we have to be a giver. Remember, it's very important trait in life. As they say that once you get into the mode of giving, and giving could be in any form. It could be in form of sharing, your resources, sharing your money, doing good for the humanity, and sharing your time with others for a good purpose. So when you get into the mode of giving, then there is a belief that floodgates of, greatness and happiness will open at you. So friends, here we finish this episode of today, and share with others, empower yourself. And life is a beautiful game, and you must play with all your capabilities and a positive attitude, and thinking yourself as a winner. No setback is permanent. And Gita sometimes teaches us beautiful thing that you put in your karma to the best of your ability, then don't get bothered. And when you are not bothered about the failure, then probably your motivation level will never go down. So wishing you all the best. May God bless you all. Take care. Jai Hind.